Go ahead, start reading.
This is Biscuit. Biscuit is small. Biscuit is yellow. Time for bed, Biscuit. Ooh. Woof, woof. Biscuit wants to play. This is the word play.
Mm-hmm. Keep going.
Time for bed, Biscuit. Woof, woof. Biscuit wants a snack. Time for bed, Biscuit.
Go ahead. What's the second line?
Woof, woof. Biscuit wants a drink.
Very good.
Time for bed, Biscuit. Woof, woof. Said okay.
Okay.
Biscuit wants to hear a story.
Very good.
Time for bed, Biscuit. Woof, woof. Biscuit wants his blanket. Well, you can go ahead and watch if you want.
Did you miss a page? There's words on that next page. What are those words say?
You read this one, but what about this one?
Time for bed, Biscuit. Biscuit wants.
No.
Woof, woof. Biscuit wants his doll. I was
Very
just
good.
starting on this page and I went to this one and I got endured this one.
Okay. I'm sorry.
You didn't know that.
I didn't know that.
Hey, this is Biscuit.
Is that Biscuit? He's a dog?
Yeah, but this is his dog he plays with.
Oh, the sock. It's his toy?
Yeah.
It's Biscuit's toy?
Yeah.
Alright.
So it's the doll. Time for bed, Biscuit. Woof, woof. Biscuit wants a hug. Time for bed, Biscuit. Woof, woof. Biscuit wants a hug.
No, what's that say?
Kiss.
Okay.
I remember.
Good job.
Time for bed, Biscuit. Woof, woof. Woof, woof. Biscuit wants a Lycon.
Very good.
I told you I could read. At first I said, blah, 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 blah.
Okay.
I was a baby to read. I said, blah, 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 on this one.
No, what's this page say?
Woo. Biscuit wants to
You know.
tuck.
Oh, that's right.
Tuck.
What's the I? That's right, tuck. And what's the I? sound?
In. Tuck
Okay,
in.
so what's it say? Read the whole line now.
Biscuit wants to be tucked in.
Very good.
I told you I could read.
You are. I'm very impressed.
The first one was
No, you're not going to... Going back?
this.
It's okay.
I was just looking at
Just
the-
looking? Okay.
Yeah. Biscuit wants one more kiss.
Okay.
Biscuit wants one more hug.
Aw,
Hug?
that's what it said.
Yeah, they just say, aww.
Aw, that's so cute.
Biscuit wants to curl up.
That's right. Very good, baby.
This is soft, like I was trying to show you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you play with it outside.
Yeah.
Silly.
No, not silly. Read it. Sound it out.
Oh, it's sleepy.
That's right.
Happy. Good night, Biscuit.
Very good, baby. I am so impressed. You read that whole book to me.
Yeah.
Very
I
good.
told you.
The story.
The whole story. That's very good, baby.